Today on Grim 3D we are going to assemble the A1 combo kit from Bambu Labs, and the only thing we need really to put this together is the Bambu Lab kit. Ooh, upside down. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab the X gantry. We're going to get this plastic off of here. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut these zip ties. It's quite a few of them. I really like the fact that this is packaged so well. I don't really want to spend a ton of money, and these aren't super ton of money. I mean, I've bought more expensive printers than this, but I don't want to spend any money really and have something like this just be damaged in shipping. So I'm glad that they went to the trouble to get these packaged really well. Now what I'm going to do, now that I have that all taken care of like that, I'm going to set that aside for a second, and then I'm going to tip this up on its side with the touchscreen not on the bottom, like not being damaged. And tip this on its side, and then I am going to put the two together, being very careful to make sure that nothing gets damaged. It should fit right in there.